Hey, Sophie. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. What did you do over the weekend?
I went shopping. How about you?
I watched movies. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love movies. What's your favorite genre?
I like action movies. What about you?
Romantic comedies are my favorite. Have you traveled recently?
No, not recently. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I do. What's your dream travel destination?
I would love to visit Japan. How about you?
Italy is on my travel wish list. Do you have any pets?
No, I don't. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
Sushi is my favorite. Do you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes. Can you cook?
A little. What's your favorite color?
Blue. What's yours?
Green. Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing soccer. What's your favorite sport?
I like swimming. Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't. Can you play any instruments?
I can play the piano. What's your favorite season?
I like summer. How about you?
I prefer autumn. What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter. What's yours?
Pride and Prejudice. Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy concerts. Have you been to one?
Yes, I went to a rock concert. Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee. How about you?
Tea is my choice. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I work in a bookstore. What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas. How do you celebrate it?
I celebrate with family and exchange gifts. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any siblings?
No, I'm an only child. What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like going for a hike. How about you?
I enjoy reading a good book. What's your favorite movie?
The Dark Knight. And yours?
The Notebook. Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing. Do you dance?
Not really. What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music. How about you?
I enjoy classical music. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages. Dear viewer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.